In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off music share on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have your Samsung phone music share enabled such that you can easily share your music to all connected devices, either your contact or everyone available on your device, then you can revoke this access right away. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, click on connected devices. Then here, locate music share and turn this off. Literally, this is going to turn off the music share completely on your Samsung Galaxy device. However, to configure the music share before you turn it off, just scroll down and then you can just play around share with. So you want to share with contacts only or everyone. Then you want to ask every time before you connect your music share to any device. Then here, if you found any devices you do not possess here, just make sure you disable it like this, or only enable it for your device, and then go ahead and turn off music share. The essence of this is this: once you turn off music share here, this is going to disconnect all devices that are connected to your music share or your Samsung Galaxy device. So when next you want to turn this on, you don't necessarily need to come here and configure your device. So that's all you need to do to disable or turn off music share on Samsung Galaxy phone. So found this really helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.